Another video, so I'm making a hot cross bun marmalade bread pudding. Lovely, gooey, sweet, everything you want in a dessert. And if you're coming this Sunday for Mother's Day, it'll be on the menu so you can give it a try. If not, you can make it at home. And so this is how you make it. Pretty simple. Get your hot cross buns, lay it with butter and some warm marmalade. Just heat it up for a few seconds. If you don't like butter, just stick with marmalade. And all you need to do is get your greased tin and layer the bottom of the hot cross buns in first, like so. And then for the egg custard mix, you need 2 pints of double cream, 2 pints of milk, and then 16 whole eggs, 50 grams of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of whiskey whisk. Pour over your bread mix so it goes nice, gooey and soggy. Leave it to stand for a few minutes so it all soaks in. Stick on your tops. More egg mix. Cover with foil. In an oven 25 minutes, 160. When it comes out, it's just like nice crispy on top, gooey in the centre. Cover it with lashes of custard, some more sugar, and there we go. Hot cross bun, bread and butter pudding.